Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this tutorial we will learn how to hide likes and views on from your Instagram post on your Android device. So for this guys, first of all you need to open your Instagram app on your device. After opening, from your bottom right side you can see your profile icon. Just open it. From here you want to open your Instagram settings. In the settings, go to the privacy, and in the privacy you can get the option post. Just tap on it. From here guys, you can get the option to hide your likes and views count from your post. As you can see, if you want to hide, just enable this option. That's it. If you want to unhide, you want to disable this option. So with this help of option guys, you can easily hide your likes and views count from your Instagram post. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.